Here's this guy. A guy named Carl is over here.
I know. I've had people go, dude, how much do you want for one of those? I'm like, I don't know.
Did you cook for the military?
No, they wouldn't let me in. I was too insane. How you doing? Guys, let's get this line moving. I know.
The first time I seen him cooking is at Cars and Coffee when we had him over there. What's that? Yeah. And he brought his barbecue and he was cooking away and it's like, oh my God.
The one that really destroyed me was when we went to his neighbor's house. You got any good ones?
Yeah, there's 6 right there.
Whatever you crunked up on that one was so flippin' awesome.
Yeah.
That was good too.
Yeah, whatever that sauce, whatever you did, you made all it was great.
That was so much fun.
All of that stuff.
Yeah, that was major.
That was a lot of fun.
I was just like sucking.
Free food for the Veterans Car Show, provided by the local Walmart, Chubbuck Walmart, the Coke vendor, and the Franz bread vendor, and
What exactly do you do from here? I'm like, well, I could.
and
I wash a car too.
it's all being cooked by one guy.
How's baby Chevy?
Oh, dude, he's getting big. Oh, man, he's such a good dog, too. I mean,
He's got good on those.
no accidents in the house, and he's so mellow. He's so mellow.
Too bad you can't smell it.